I have the mindset of an NFL quarterback when I have sex. If I go 3 and out one more time, they're going to put in the black guy. and they should. The black guys can do spin moves in the pussy. I'm much more of a pocket pussy passer. My pocket presence is crazy, dude. No, I don't use a pocket pussy. I know what I look like. I know I look like I know serial numbers. Is that the X472? Not sloppy enough for me, dude. There's a lot of double standards in this life. Like, if a guy likes trains, he's autistic. But if a girl likes trains, she's the coolest girl ever, dude.